What's up, everybody? Today, I'm revealing 5 explosive markets where you can build real wealth by 2026. I've spent weeks and a ton of money researching the biggest opportunities billionaires are jumping into right now. For each market, I'll give you actionable ideas and a step-by-step plan to launch a $1 million business. This is your roadmap to financial freedom. No fluff, just the real strategies you need. If you're ready to think bigger and change your future, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, artificial intelligence. The biggest tech shift since the internet. Every business, from tech giants to local shops, is scrambling to use AI for an edge. This is your chance to get in early and build something huge. AI isn't just about robots. It's about giving people superpowers, automating tasks, creating content, analyzing data, and more. The real money? Building AI tools for niche businesses. Don't try to make the next ChatGPT. Instead, solve a specific problem for a specific group. Example: an AI tool that helps dentists write marketing emails, or one that helps construction companies create accurate project bids. Or, start an AI consultant agency. Package existing AI tools for industries like real estate or e-commerce. Offer services like AI-generated property descriptions or 24/7 client chatbots and charge a monthly fee. Another goldmine: AI-powered content creation. Businesses need endless content. Use AI to deliver it fast and at scale. Specialize. Be the AI expert for plumbers, gyms, or coffee shops. The more specific, the more valuable. Think, how could AI make your favorite tools 10x better? Maybe an AI plugin for Shopify that predicts customer purchases, or a tool for students that turns notes into quizzes. You don't need to code. No-code platforms like Bubble and OpenAI's API let you build products in a weekend. The only thing missing is your idea and your hustle. Ignore AI, and you're missing the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. Your challenge: brainstorm 10 niche problems AI could solve. One could be your ticket to millions. The AI gold rush is here. Claim your stake now. Don't let this pass you by. The people who act now will own the next decade. Find your corner of the AI revolution and dominate it. The tools are ready. The market is exploding. All that's left is for you to take action. Don't overthink. Just start. This is the future of everything. Be the one who builds it. Let's move to the next big opportunity. Next, green energy, a global revolution, not just solar panels. Governments are pouring trillions into renewables, making this a once-in-a-generation wealth opportunity. There are massive tax credits, grants, and subsidies for anyone starting a green business. The real money isn't just in building wind farms, it's in all the supporting businesses. Start a green energy consulting firm. Help homeowners save on bills and go green with simple, actionable plans. Charge for energy audits, then earn commissions on products like solar panels or insulation. Or, tackle the electric vehicle charging gap. Install EV stations at malls, offices, and apartments. Go bigger. Launch a mobile EV charging service for stranded drivers. Think Deco AAA for electric cars. There's also a huge need for skilled labor. Start a training company for solar installers or energy auditors. Create online courses and partner with energy companies to place your graduates. Or, build software that helps homes and businesses optimize energy use, automatically adjust thermostats, track savings, and more. The green transition is massive. Every home, building, and vehicle is being upgraded. From battery manufacturing to recycling solar panels, every step is a business opportunity. Your job: pick one piece of the puzzle and own it. You don't have to solve climate change, just help people save money or make the green switch easier. The market is huge, the incentives are real, and the impact is massive. Build a business that accelerates the green revolution and get rich while making a difference. This is about profit and purpose. Find your angle and get started. The time is now. Don't wait for permission. Jump in. The world is rebuilding its energy system. Be part of it. The opportunity is everywhere. Pick your spot and go. Let's talk about the next booming market. Health and wellness is up next. Third, health and wellness tech. an industry exploding as people invest in living longer, healthier lives. Wearables like Apple Watch and Oura Ring generate tons of health data, but most people don't know how to use it. The opportunity? Build software that turns this data into actionable advice. Personalized wellness coaching powered by AI. Users connect their devices and your app gives them daily tips based on their real data. Charge a monthly subscription for this guidance. Telemedicine is another gold mine. Specialize in a niche like mental health for entrepreneurs or nutrition for new moms. Focused platforms are easier to market and build loyal users. Mental wellness is huge. Think VR meditation apps or tools for gamers to manage stress. Or create at-home testing kits for things like vitamin levels or gut health, with personalized reports delivered via your app. The aging population is a massive market. Develop smart home systems for seniors with fall detection and medication reminders, or a simple tablet for telemedicine and grocery delivery. Fitness tech is evolving. AI-powered trainers, smart yoga mats, or nutrition apps that use your fridge inventory. The key: build trust and solve one specific health problem for one group of people. Don't try to do everything. Do one thing perfectly. Health is personal. Your product must genuinely help. The intersection of tech and wellness is just getting started. Find a health problem you care about and use technology to solve it. You can make a fortune and help millions live better. The market is growing fast. The need is real. The solutions are up to you. Pick your niche and go deep. Build something that matters. The next market: e-commerce domination. Let's get into it. The opportunity is bigger than ever. Here's how to win. Fourth, e-commerce. Don't think it's saturated. The secret is niche domination. Don't compete with Amazon. Do what Amazon can't. Be the go-to brand for a passionate community. Find a tribe: left-handed golfers, corgi lovers, vegan climbers, and serve them better than anyone. Discover these niches on Reddit, Facebook, or TikTok. Listen to what they want and what frustrates them. Build a brand that speaks directly to them. Example: launch a premium disc golf gear brand, sponsor players, create content, and build a loyal following. Sustainability is a huge trend. Offer plastic-free products, ethical coffee, or recycled clothing. Your brand story matters as much as your product. Subscription boxes are still powerful. Just make them niche. Hot sauce boxes, Japanese snacks, or new parent kits. Personalization is key. Custom pet products or shampoo tailored to each customer. Dropshipping has evolved. Partner with unique suppliers and build a real brand, not just reselling cheap products. Build an audience first. Start a TikTok or YouTube channel about your niche before you even launch. Provide value, entertain, and create a community. When you launch, you'll have buyers waiting. E-commerce is vast. Its size is your opportunity. There are countless tribes waiting for a brand to serve them. Your challenge: find one, understand them deeply, and create products they love. Build a brand, not just a store. Focus on community and loyalty. The riches are in the niches. Start small, grow fast. The tools are all there. Your laptop is your empire. Let's move to the final market: remote work. The revolution is just beginning. Here's how to profit. Let's go. Finally, remote work solutions. The world has changed, and so have the opportunities. Millions of companies and workers need new tools, services, and platforms to thrive remotely. Don't build the next Slack, solve the problem Slack doesn't. Example: create a remote culture in a box. Monthly experience kits for virtual team bonding. Or build asynchronous communication tools, apps for video updates or structured brainstorming, reducing meetings and boosting productivity. The home office is a huge market. Launch an e-commerce brand for ergonomic, stylish setups, selling complete productivity bundles. Security is critical. Start a cybersecurity firm specializing in remote teams, offering audits, training, and managed services. Recreate the social side of work. Build a virtual lounge for casual chats and games, helping teams feel connected. Employee perks have changed. Create a platform for flexible remote benefits, from co-working memberships to wellness apps. The key: focus on the human side of remote work: connection, culture, and well-being. Find a pain point you've experienced and solve it. The remote work revolution is just starting. The tools of the future haven't all been built yet. This is your chance to shape how millions work every day. Pick a problem, build a solution, and scale it. The market is wide open. Companies are desperate for better tools. The future of work is being written now. Be the one who writes it. Don't wait. Start building. The opportunity is massive, the impact is real, the time is now. Let's wrap this up and talk about your next move. You've seen the markets, now it's your turn. Here's how to get started. Let's finish strong. There you have it. 5 explosive markets primed for new entrepreneurs in 2026. AI, green energy, health tech, e-commerce, and remote work. Each can make you a millionaire if you take action. But watching isn't enough. Action is everything. Pick the market that excites you most, and dive deep this week. Research, find a problem, and start building. Drop a comment below with your pick, and don't forget to subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Thanks for watching. Now go build your empire.